Welcome arm wrestlers, I'm Pradeep Singh from Arm Wrestling News. Today's video is about the 5 times Russian champion, world champion, 2 times Zloty Tour champion and top 8 arm wrestler, the Siberian Bear Dmitry Silayev. It is a rather unpleasant story for the arm wrestling world. The young 27-year-old promising arm wrestler was put under house arrest. Although this story has been on the internet since July 16th, still a large part of the world is unaware of this situation. You can find a couple of videos about this in Russian language, but then that's about it. That is why I decided to make a video on it. Artem Taranenko from Top Roll King Productions posted this translated version of the story on Reddit. Dmitry is now under house arrest. It is not known when the next court hearing will take place, per Vitaly Leletin. Recently, the media reported that the Siberian heavyweight Dmitry Silayev was detained on suspicion of robbery. According to law enforcement officers, Silayev, together with 3 accomplices, forcibly took 20,000 rubles from a 33-year-old handyman. According to Krasmash Telegram channel, the victim owed his ex-girlfriend 400,000 rubles. They decided to catch him with live bait. The dummy woman was asked to come through the messenger and inspect the apartment for repairs. When she arrived, 4 men entered the apartment. One of them was Silayev. According to the newspaper, he also had a pistol with him. Now they are trying to pin it all on Dmitry. He is world champion in arm wrestling and this is good content. For the press obviously. Although according to the initial version, there was no information of any pistol in Dmitry's hands. Yes, I do not believe in it, said Vitaly Leletin. Add that Dmitry got himself in a bad company. The participants in this incident face up to 10 years in prison. Dmitry was under top 8 contract with Igor Mazurenko, and the rumors were that Igor did not pay anything to his top 8 arm wrestlers in 2020 because there was no season. It is sad to see that these athletes of such a beautiful and easily accessible sport have to resort to this kind of things. For reference, 400,000 rubles is $5,400. Even the top arm wrestlers cannot make a living out of arm wrestling. And just to be clear on this, I don't know about others, but according to me, making a living out of YouTube and social media is completely different than making a living out of arm wrestling. I think if you want to classify someone as a pro arm wrestler, it shouldn't mean that he is hustling on YouTube and Facebook for 15 hours a day and training to make a living. When brand deals and contracts and sponsorship money run your house, then you can classify someone as a pro. Again, these are just my opinions, nothing wrong or right with that. Welcome again arm wrestlers. Thinking about a weight cut for a tournament or just want to stay healthy and lean? Don't worry, Mars by GHC has got your back now with their latest weight loss max supplement. It has got apple cider vinegar, green tea extract, L-carnitine, Garcinia cambogia and Google, not Google. And I've been personally using this brand for 2 weeks now and I can tell you, it works. The thing that I like the most about this brand is their honesty. They actually tell you to work out and eat healthy along with their supplement to get the maximum benefits out of it. They don't just pretend to have this magical supplement pill that will do everything for you. They are available on Flipkart and Amazon and you get a free doctor's consultation to discuss whatever your needs and expectations are. I personally trust this brand because they've got this great team of medical doctors to back up everything scientifically and medically. Beard growth supplements, weight loss supplements, hair loss supplements, sexual performance, you name it, they got it. I know you have supported me since the beginning. Now please support the brand that is supporting your brother. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.